This video will show you how you can build your own test in digits. So the first thing you need to do is pick which program you want to build the test in. I'm going to choose 6th grade digits. And you'll notice here it says Create Content. Under Create Content, you can upload a file such as a PDF or some other file. You can add a link, but the last choice is Build a Test. So the first thing you need is a title. And a description. You have to decide whether you want this to count towards mastery. Mastery is set at 70% and will count whether it counts or not on the student's mastery level. You also get to choose what kind of test it is. Is this where the student gets no test retakes, they can only try each question once, or can they try each question once with feedback and have unlimited test retakes, or can they have 2 tries at each question with unlimited retakes? I'm going to choose this one. Then we click Next. It takes a second to set up the test. Now you can add questions. There are 2 types of questions you can add. Both are easily graded by the program. The first is multiple choice. You can just click Add Question, Multiple Choice. And so you can have a question such as, who invented zero? And you can have multiple answers. Notice that one of the options here is you can add an image. You can choose a file and add an image from your computer. So let's see, the Babylonians, Mayans, and Indians. And that's the correct answer, so I'll select that. And the feedback can be something like, good job. Another answer could be the Americans and British. And the feedback could be, think earlier. Or the Martians and Vulcans. You can also remove an answer by clicking Remove Answer, so you have less choices, or you can add more multiple choice by hitting Add Answer. And then we just hit Save. You can then add another question. The other type is gridded response. And again, it can be something simple. 2x plus 4 equals 10. And you could have something like solve. And in this case, of course, you would subtract 4 and get 6, divide by 2 and get 3. You could just leave it as one column, but if you want, you can also have it as a 2 column. You can include decimal points on every column or just in a certain spot. And you tell it how many you want. You can also have negatives. So in this case, we could leave it as three. Oh, we just need one column. And no decimals. So now we have 2 questions, multiple choice and gridded response. When we're done, we can preview it if we wish. Check the answer. Oh, I had picked Martians and Vulcans. Also, I can check answer. It tells me to correct answer is 3. Submit test, and I missed them both. I got a 0%. And I selected that I could try again, so I could try again and retake the test if I wish. So once we have it like this, we can rearrange it. We can also print it if we want, along with the answer key. Hit save, and now I have this test. This is for demonstration purposes, and I can customize it again, continue to add questions if I want, or I can assign it to my students by clicking assign and following the steps as usual.